In this video, we'll be talking about adding our core 4 macros to a meal. So first we'll come to our settings page and our menu tab, and we want to make sure that we enable show macros. Now, what this will do is when we come to our meal and click on it, we'll be able to see calories, carbs, protein, fat, your core 4 macros. Now, to set these is pretty simple. When we come to the menu and we pull up a meal, we could either enter these values in directly in each of these 4 boxes, or if we already have the ingredients entered, in this case we do, if we leave these boxes blank, the system will automatically fill in those macros for you. So for example, I'm not going to touch anything here. I'm just going to leave those blank. And when I come to the chicken fajita bowl, you see the calories, carbs, protein, and fat are already right there for me.